Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX first look. So make sure to watch the full video. The Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX semi-upright, fared sport bike, which does willing double duty as a sport tourer, returns unchanged this year. However, that means the 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX still has the potent 1043cc inline 4 that pumps out a muscular 82 foot-pound of torque at 7,800 revolution per minute, making it more than ready for two-up travel with impressive roll-on power. 4 power modes are available, 3 press-it, and 1 rider adjustable for power output and traction control. The die-cast aluminum frame uses the motor as a stressed member, with almost fully adjustable suspension. The front braking is superb, featuring a radial pump master cylinder sending pressure to a pair of radially mounted monoblock calipers working on 300mm discs. Stability is outstanding on the 514-pound machine. We found this all out when we tested the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. The 6-speed transmission has a quickshifter as standard equipment, and the clutch has slip and assist functions. Bosch cornering-aware anti-lock braking system and 3-mode traction control enhance rider safety. Bosch also supplies the 5-axis inertial management units. The 2-mode, 4.3-inch thin film transistor allows the rider to monitor the different aids and the condition of the 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX, and it can be paired via Bluetooth to a smartphone. Kawasaki Genuine Accessories offers hard side cases, a 47-liter top case, a tank bag, and heated grips to fulfill its alternative destiny as a high-speed sport touring motorcycle. The list price of the 2023 Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX is $13,199. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.